Hi, boys and girls. I have a question for you. Do you know your vowels? That's right. The vowels we know are A, E, I, O, and U. And we know that all of these vowels can make two different sounds. A can say A like apple, and A like in safe. E, I, O, and U also make two sounds. But did you know that Y is a special letter? It's true. Y can make many sounds depending on if it is a consonant or a vowel. We all know the consonant Y. Y, yellow, Y. But Y can also be used as a vowel. When Y is used as a vowel, it makes the sound of two other vowels that we know. It can make the sound of I or E. Let's look at the first example. Repeat after me. Y, cry, I. Y, baby, E. Y is making the sound of the long vowels I and E. But Y can also make the sound of the short vowel I. Repeat after me. Y, Jim, I. Our goal today says, I can decide what sound the letter Y makes in a word. We are going to be spelling words to see what sound the Y makes. It could be Y, like in the word yellow, I, like in the word gym, I, like in the word my, E, like in the word silly. Take a look at these two words. Read them to yourself. The first word is high. The second word is shy. What sound do you hear at the end of both of these words? At the end of both of these words, we hear I. That is the long vowel I sound. When we have words with one syllable and it's an open syllable, we can use Y to make the I sound. Let's practice. Tap out the word try. I. Try. The first sound I hear is T, R, I. Now you might say, I'm going to put an I. Try. But remember, one syllable, open syllable words usually end with a Y as the I sound. Try. Look at these words and say them to yourself. The first word is be. The second word is story. What sound do you hear at the end of both of these words? We hear E. This is the long E sound. Words with two syllables that end with an open syllable will use Y. to make the E sound. Two-syllable words that end with the E sound do not end with the letter E. We use the letter E as a silent letter in two-syllable words. We will see E at the end of one-syllable words, such as me, and see. Two-syllable words that end with an open syllable, making the E sound, are going to end with a Y. Tap out the word party. P-R-T-E. The first sound I hear is P. The next sound I hear is R. It's not just the letter R because we have R controlled vowels. This will be A-R, par, T, T, and then I hear the E sound, T-E. Am I going to put an E or a Y? Well, remember, words that have two syllables, which party does, because there are two vowels, we are going to use the Y. Party. Look at these words and say them to yourself. The first word is gift. The second word is gym. What sound do you hear in the middle of both of these words? We hear I, but we have an I and a Y. I is the short I sound. Words do not usually end with the short I sound, so we will find I or Y saying I in the middle of words. Most words use I to say I, but some words use Y. There is no rule to tell us which letter to use, so we have to practice and memorize these words. Let's try the word myth. Tap out the word myth. I, myth. The first sound I hear, I, well, I'm not sure, th, myth. Now I'm going to practice. Is it MITH? Or is it MYTH? Deciding which letter to use means I have to think about where I have seen this word before. I have seen the word myth before, so I know that this is a Y. Your activity today is to complete the chart by writing what sound the Y is making in each word. Is it the consonant Y, Y, short I, long I, or long E, E? I'm going to practice with this first word. Yoda. Y-O-D-A. Y. My Y is saying Y. So it is making the consonant Y sound. You could also just write Y. For other words, you will have to write short I, long I, or long E.